how to download and install VLC media player on Windows 11 25H2. Okay, so what you want to do is open up your web browser. It can be Chrome or Firefox web browser, and in Google type in VLC. Next, we click on VLC for Windows, and then click on the download button right here. So click on it to download. It is now downloading. Up here, you should see the arrow begins to start flashing, indicating that your VLC file is now downloading. Okay, so here, if you click on the download button, it will show you VLC file is downloading. Okay, it's because I have already downloaded before. I can now simply open it, click on it to open the setup file, then click on yes. Okay, from here, select your language and click on OK. Then we click on next, then click on next, and then next. Then choose your path and click on install. Okay, once it has finished, then click on finish. This will run VLC player. Here I will click on the continue button on this dialog. To play a media file, I can just drop it in. How to sync Firefox. And that's it. That's how you can install the VLC media player on Windows 11. Thank you for watching this video.